Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find fuses relays for the OBD port, also known as Diagnostics Port, guys, on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2016 to 2014 to year 2018. There might be some minor differences for year 2018, we'll cover that, and if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from, so let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. For the OBD port, guys, also known as Diagnostics Port, the fuses and relays that we need to check today will be just in one fuse box that's a little bit hidden. By the way, you have many hidden fuse boxes in that generation GMC Sierra. We will recommend to check the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location and diagram on GMC Sierra. It can teach you very helpful things that can save you a lot of money, guys. We need to open the driver door, and here on the side of the dash you see that cover. Pry that cover open. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, what we need to check here, one fuse. By the way, there will be some minor differences in the fuse boxes. 2014, 15, 16, 17 uses one kind, 2018 uses another one, but that's mostly the differences under the hood. There might be some minor differences inside as well, but this fuse specifically should be the same for both. And we're talking, guys, specifically about fuse number 2025. So 25 will be this 10 amp micro 3-blade fuse. Always buy one of those. Keep a spare in your glove box for peace of mind, because these are super hard to find. You don't have a relay, that's known as a fuse relay. That's the only thing that you guys need to check. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend, guys, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.